The phrase "behind the eight ball" is an idiomatic expression commonly used in English to describe a situation where someone is in a difficult or disadvantaged position. It conveys the idea of being at a disadvantage, facing obstacles or setbacks, and having limited options or control over the outcome. The origin of the phrase is believed to come from the game of pool or billiards, where the eight ball refers to the black ball, which is typically the last ball to be pocketed. In the game, being behind the eight ball means that the ball is positioned in such a way that it is difficult to make a successful shot or continue the game effectively. This position puts the player at a disadvantage, as they have fewer opportunities to win or regain control of the game. Metaphorically, the phrase "behind the eight ball" is used to describe various situations in life where individuals find themselves in a challenging or unfavorable position. It implies a sense of being stuck, struggling to make progress, or facing significant obstacles that hinder success or achievement. The expression can apply to different contexts, such as personal, professional, or financial situations. For example, someone may feel behind the eight ball in their career if they are facing job insecurity, a lack of opportunities for advancement, or a difficult work environment. In financial matters, it may refer to being burdened with excessive debt, limited resources, or unexpected expenses. Additionally, the phrase can be used to describe interpersonal or social situations where someone feels socially isolated, excluded, or at a disadvantage. It implies a sense of being left out or unable to fully participate in certain activities or conversations. However, it is important to note that being behind the eight ball does not necessarily imply a hopeless situation. It signifies a temporary setback or challenge that requires perseverance, strategic thinking, and determination to overcome. It can serve as a motivator to seek alternative solutions, develop resilience, and explore new opportunities. In summary, behind the eight ball is an idiomatic expression used to describe being in a difficult or disadvantaged position. It originated from the game of pool or billiards, where being in this position makes it challenging to continue the game effectively. Metaphorically, the phrase applies to various life situations where individuals face obstacles, setbacks, or limited control over the outcome. However, it also suggests the potential for resilience, strategic thinking, and finding alternative solutions to overcome the challenges and regain control.